Fire of unknown origin left millions of dollars in damage at Premier Plaza in Halfway Tree. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Firefighters have begun cooling down operation at the scene of a major fire at Premier Plaza in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew. According to reports, most of the blaze have been gone down and is outside. The firefighters are working to neutralize the internal fire, which has caused significant damage to the structure.
I'm the Public Relations Officer for the Jamaica Fire Brigade. As it is right now, the roof of the area that houses Central Solar is on fire. The information we have is that solar panels are up that area. Right now we have no injuries or deaths, no reports of injuries or deaths. We have 5 units on location and we are back in the blaze. Solar place around the sun. Upstairs.
Firefighters have not yet established a cause for the fire and have not yet estimated the cost of the damage. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.